Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off messages, time sensitive notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we go down and then tap on messages. In messages settings page, go down and tap on notifications. Next, tap on the time sensitive notifications toggle button. Tap on it to switch it off or turn it on. Now set that critical alerts appear on the lock screen and play a sound even if a focus is on or iPhone is muted. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.